You probably already know one of the most popular dark mode Chrome extensions out there called Dark Reader. Some of you guys even pay yearly subscriptions for the one called Night Eye. But here is the truth. They both come with some serious downsides. Now for context, this is the exact browser benchmark score my Chrome gets on this M2 cheap laptop with my other extensions and no dark reader. Mind you, my other extensions include AdGuard, yeah, a very powerful ad blocker which consumes considerable levels of power. And I'm going to show you exactly what the score would be once I turn on dark reader. Alright, there we have it. Dark reader is turned back on, as you can see, and let's try out speedometer one more time. You know, I could tell straight away, yeah, the rate is considerably slower. And from 30 points, we're at 18.8. That tells you how much juice our dark reader takes from the Chrome performance of this Chromium Arc browser. You know what? Let's turn off dark reader now and turn Night Eye to replace it, and let's retry it. This should be interesting. Looks like we ended up with 24.1 against 30. Yeah, so I would say Night Eye is a bit more acceptable. Now, the big secret most people don't know is that you don't even need to be paying for Chrome extensions to begin with. Chromium browsers, at least the new versions, already have an inbuilt dark mode feature that gives perfect results. You know, some of these extensions, when you turn them on, it alters the web page, but then it makes it weirdly dark, like it darkens the wrong elements and then it messes up the entire color of the page, right? Well, unlike those ones, Chromium's inbuilt dark mode has a perfect way of altering the color of the web page to be perfectly dark while preserving the other colors that should be there. Alright, watch this. I'm using Arc browser. It's also a Chromium browser, and this applies to every other Chromium browser. All you have to do is search for Chrome flags or Arc flags in this case, and then search for the dark mode feature and enable it with simple CIELAB inversion, and that's it. As a matter of fact, all the inversion options work almost the same way, but I recommend the simple CIE lab because that's the one I also saw recommended by someone online, on Reddit anyway. And look at this, it gives perfect results without slowing down your browser one bit. We practically have a decimal point kind of difference. One crazy thing here is that when you render pages with this dark mode turned on, it renders at the exact same speed of the browser's natural states. And then it doesn't even affect browsers that already have an inbuilt dark mode. How awesome is this? And you don't have to pay a dime. So yeah, stop paying for BS on the internet just under the false pretense of giving you something that's already inbuilt in your browser. And if this trick was helpful or meaningful to you, try and click the like button to help other Chrome users that have been extorted of their money to find something a lot better.